Hello everyone, my name is Anjali and we are learning about sheets. So in this video I'm not going to explain you so many things or so much options or how to do this and what to do this. Instead of all that thing, I know sometimes you get bored because of that thing. So for a change, I am going to show you one trick or the most easiest option which we can use on this Google Sheet while working with our other colleagues. Let's assume I am working with my colleague named Arushi over this sheet. Okay, so she has to edit this sheet in this part and I have to edit my sheet in this part, and she is also working, I am also working, and I need some updates from her. So you don't need to go use your phone, text her or WhatsApp her that hey, I am working on this and blah blah blah. Instead of doing all these things, by simply you can chat with her in this sheet, right? And the most important thing for that is the sheet is shared with her, she has the editor or commenter access, and after that, if both of you are working at the same time on the same sheet, then you can message her over here. For how we can do that? So over here you can see these two circles, right? These one circles indicate that Arushi Gupta, which is my colleague, she is currently working on this sheet, and this another option gives me option or enables me to talk with her. So when I click on this option, you can see documents chats are not saved. So if you are afraid of your boss that whatever you are talking he will see, so no, that's not a case. Only the person who are working currently, that person only can see your messages and these chats cannot be saved. So let's type, hi Arushi, I am recording a video, because she doesn't know that I am recording a video, so we can't expect that she'll reply, but let's try, let's give it a try. Hi Arushi, I am recording a video, can you please reply anything as a demo, it will get recorded, and then enter, and this message is sent to her by Anjali Tiwari, which is actually me. Now let's see if she can reply, and if she reply, you can see over here. Okay, so that's how one person can reply or can chat with the other colleagues with these chat options. So that's it for this video. I hope this small trick will help you so much while you are working with your colleagues or with your friends, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. See you in our next videos. Until then, keep learning. Bye bye.